Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the VANPO Crampons. These are ice snow grips. It's an upgraded version of 26 Teeth anti-slip stainless steel spikes. Ice traction cleats for boots, shoes for woman, man, etc. And kids, of course. It's kids safe protected for hiking, for walking, for climbing, for mountaineering. With the upgraded 26 Teeth Crampons. High-quality crampons. Use upgraded 26T stainless steel spikes. They can withstand high thrust use and have strong stability, reducing the risk of falls, slips, and injuries. High strength anti-slip stainless steel spikes and strong chains can provide excellent traction on ice roads and slopes in winter to ensure our safety. And double high quality materials are on these devices here. These ice snow grips are made of professional silicone. It have a high elasticity, excellent toughness, and strength. And it can be adapted to almost all footwear. Delicious. They can maintain good work at up to minus 45 degrees Celsius. The fit is firm, easy to put on and to take off, as you can see, and it will not tear or break. These upgraded 26T's rust-proof and wear-resistant stainless steel spiked crampons with full bottom coverage provides us with maximum comfort and a high durability. Small and portable these devices are. That means you can use them on travel, on vacation, on your trip to the next mountain. The use of the high-quality silicone makes it more convenient for us to wear as ice traction cleats. They are very suitable for all kinds of sports shoes, hiking boots, and casual shoes. They are not only comfortable to wear, but also convenient to carry. There is a portable storage bag included in the package. When not in use, we only need to fold the crampons into the storage bag without taking up space. Or only a little space. And they slip and so safety. The connection between the sturdy stainless steel chains and the high quality silicone allow the crampons for hiking boots to be firmly fixed on our shoes to prevent the left and the right movement. These crampons for hiking, specially designed for several winter weather, can provide the better traction on icy roads, make us more convenient while walking on icy and snowy roads, and prevent us from slipping on ice, snow, and wet roads. And it provides us with security protection. And widely used is possible. These crampons for boots, shoes are suitable for men and women of any age, including teenagers, adults, and the elderly. They are also suitable for sloped terrain, snow, icy roads, muddy, wet grass, and dangerous trails, etc. They are also suitable for winter trail running, hiking, mountain climbing, snow shoveling, and ice fishing. The anti-slip shoe grips are our perfect partner for working in the harsh winter environment. Yeah. The L version for women goes from 39 to 42. XL 42 up to 45. That means we have a big range of wearability. with improved 626 crampons for mountain shoes. The non-slip ice cleats made of stainless steel with 26 spikes are suitable for different terrains, and the chains are seamlessly welded with excellent durability and corrosion resistant. And the safety protection is on board. This robust and durable non-slip crampons provide better traction on icy roads and offers us a maximum safety protection whenever we are on the go or work and walking outdoors. And the soft silicone is smooth. This non-slip shoe claws for shoes and boots are made of professional silicone materials that fits firmly with our shoes, and it is easy to put on and take off. The crampons can work well at 45 degrees Celsius minus, and it's really easy to wear. The crampons for men and women and diverse are easily to carry whenever hiking or other outdoor activities. The compact design can be folded into the included storage bag while we are on travel. These are the really cool and awesome VANPO Crampons. Ice snow grips, upgraded 26 T's anti-slip stainless steel spike ice traction cleats for boots, shoes, woman, man, kids, safe protected for hiking, walking, climbing and mountaineering. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.